The green parakeets, rose-ring parakeets, live freely in the beautiful island of Kish, which is located in southern of Iran. This beautiful and generous island, with the cooperation of residents, offer a variety of unique foods to this beautiful bird, from sunflowers planted by the resident and of course fruit of the sacred fig tree. The rose-ringed parakeet or the Indian ring-necked parakeet is a bird from the family of green parrots. This bird is seen sporadically in Iran, mainly in the warm regions. The majority of the Indian ring-necked parakeet population is found on Kish Island and Qeshm Island, where they are native. These birds are very playful, affectionate, and social. They live in a flock and fly together. The males are slightly larger than the females, and after maturity, they have a black ring around their neck and a pink band behind the neck. But the females are smaller with a simpler appearance and more disheveled feathers. Like other areas in southern of Iran, Kish Island is the field with palm trees and endless palm groves that provide shelter for animals like this bird. This sweet and nutrition days from their green and unripe stage to when they are ripe and yellow become the joy and favorite food for these parrots. The parrots happily benefit from this divine blessing. Indian ring-necked parakeets eat with delicate and artistic movement, and with their strong and precise beak, they pick up a food or seed and hold it with one of their small and swift feet. These food act like a skilled hand, bring the food close to the beak. The parakeet takes small bites and chews them carefully and skillfully. This beautiful and intelligent behavior showcases the elegance and high intelligence of these lovely birds. And watching them when they are eating is a unique pleasure. The Indian ring-necked parakeets eagerly feed on costly dates, another well-known type of date in Kish, with their red color and delightful taste. Costly dates invite the parrots to street feasts, and these beautiful birds skillfully and eagerly enjoy the fruits of Kish palm trees. These birds, being very gluttonous and greedy, don't miss out on anything. These beautiful and lovely birds love bread in addition to the sweet dates and breeze fruit of Kish Island. Sometimes people scatter breadcrumbs for this hungry parrot and other birds like pigeon and miners. However, caution is needed as a processed bread, often containing additive salt, sugar, can be harmful for them. Of course, course, as intelligent and beautiful birds, they pay special attention to cleanliness and maintaining the feathers. One of the interesting behavior is feather picking. Using their strong and precise beak, the parrot gently pluck dirty or damaged feathers. This act helps them prevent disease and contamination. Parrots constantly attend to their feathers, arranging and tidying them with their beak. This behavior allowed them to keep their feathers in good condition and preventing shedding or damage. This continuous care effort not only maintain the parrot's outward beauty but also contribute to their overall health. Male parrots make various efforts to attract female parrots and outcompete rivals. This behavior are meant to showcase the male's strength, beauty, and worthiness to attract females and prevent rivals from approaching the desired female. Males sometimes bring food for the females or feed them directly from their beak and trying to show that they can be good provider for the chicks and themselves. This behavior is a form of showing kindness and attention to the female's need. Kish Island is rich in natural blessings for these beautiful birds, including the fruits of eucalyptus tree and mesquite tree. The mesquite tree is another important food source for the birds of Kish Island. The mesquite's long and narrow pods are rich in nutrients for the birds, including the Indian ringneck parakeets. These birds feed on the fruits and seeds of this tree and benefiting from this island natural resource. And at the end, the combinations of these trees and other native plants of Kish Island has created an ideal environment rich in food resources for the birds and other animals and enhancing the biodiversity and natural beauty of this island.